All right, so hopefully we'll be back. Hopefully, that's the hope. That's the hope. We're trying to help as many people as we can. Yes.
That is very good.
All right. Thank you so much.
That is very good.
All right.
That is the hurricane.
Yes, from the hurricane. As a result of the hurricane, we're trying to help as many people as we can.
Yes. Thank you very much.
All right, Miss Brown. Bye-bye. So the package is for a new mom who just gave birth and is unable to afford.
There's another pregnant woman. Yeah, so go to the nurse's set.
Okay.
So they can share this.
All right, nurse. Thank you very much. This is a little oil. You're welcome.
After the storm, we still rise. Tears dry up when sunshine light the skies. No wind can shed the love inside. Jamaica strong, we not divide. Yeah. After the storm, we still rise.
The hurricane tear through roof and tree, but we spirit still wild and free. House might mash up, light might gone, but up in our yard keep burning strong.
From the